Hello friends, this is Avishya. So as you know, this is summer season going on. So in summer season, jackfruits are a lot of available raw and ripe one. So I'm thinking of making jackfruit kofta today, or pakora you can say. So I'm not gonna make curry out of it. I'm just making kofta or pakora out of it. So you can have it with snack, or you can have it with dal chawal, and you can make curry out of it also, obviously. So yeah, so before making it, let's talk about some health benefits of raw jackfruit. So it is rich in fiber, which kind of make you full, and less craving, and vitamin C, which supports your immunity, and antioxidants, which helps protect your body, and it has potassium, which is good for your blood pressure, and for your heart health. So these are some health benefits. So let's make it. First, I'm gonna take the raw jackfruit, which I have cut it into pieces. So we are gonna pressure cooker it. So I'm gonna take all the jackfruit in the pressure cooker and add some water, and cover the lid, and pressure cooker it for one vessel, so in low flame. And yeah, the jackfruits are properly cooked. I can show it to you with a fork. See, it is properly cooked. So now we are gonna mash it with hands. You can use a masher, or a fork also to mash it. So this is properly mashed, and now we are gonna add cumin seeds, turmeric powder, coriander cumin powder, salt, red chilli powder, little bit of garam masala, green chilies, ginger garlic paste, coriander, chopped onions, 2 tablespoons of besan or gram flour. And now I'm gonna mix it properly. So our paste is ready, and now I'm gonna make balls out of it. You can make tikki out of it, whatever shape you want. So likewise I will make the balls, and now we are gonna fry it. So in low to medium flame you can fry it, so that inside also it will get properly cooked till golden brown. We need to cook it. So right now it's properly cooked. Let's take it on a tissue or paper towel. So here you can see I have made tikki shape and the ball shape. So it properly crisp and properly cooked. You can have it as a snack, or you can make it in a curry. So little bit of chaat masala you can sprinkle it. It is super delicious, yummy.